I had a fully engaged conversation with Arnold Schwarzenegger as governor.
As he approaches, it gets closer and closer. It's Nicolas Cage, Nick Cage. Now, I'm a big fan.
Did you know Venice was the highest or the most visited place? Venice, California, not
did not
Venice,
know that.
Italy.
Santa Monica, you're terrible at parking tickets. Good morning, Ania.
Good morning, Michael.
We're not doing a podcast, but we are in a wonderful podcast studio. We're here to learn more about each other and for our many fans to learn more about us.
What are your burning questions, Michael?
So we're going to start with what we call the hot seat. And I'm
Okay.
going to ask you a question, you're going to ask me a question, and just get warmed up. So we'll kind of go through these quickly, and that's that.
Okay.
Try to be funny, engaging.
It's really hard. I don't know.
Let's start. And then I'm going to go, and then you go.
One and one?
One and one.
Okay, go ahead.
Although some questions we may both
Answer?
answer.
Okay.
Westside or Eastside?
Westside, obviously. Michael, dating across the 405, yes or no?
That's a hard yes because I live on the other side of the 405. Prior to moving to, I guess, Midtown, it was still a yes.
Okay,
I'll go where love takes me.
I love it.
Your In-N-Out order.
Double with cheese and grilled onions. Nothing else. No shakes, no fries. Just
Wow.
a burger,
I like it.
Yes.
Healthy, kind of.
I guess. Yes. Erewhon, your very favorite place. Erewhon, cold or yummy?
You know, it's both. Erewhon actually has great food. You just got to know how to navigate the aisles. Some things are outrageous, but overall, I'm a fan.
$20 strawberry.
I haven't purchased those yet, but anything's on the table, and nothing surprises me anymore. So, quite frankly, go for it.
All right.
Now I'm up. Parallel park or valet?
Valet every time. Hiking, cardio or content?
Well, now I do both, but I try to do as much hiking as I can. I don't do nearly enough, but one of the best parts about LA is that there are hikes within 20 minutes in almost every direction, so I'm a big fan of it, need to do more of it. Now, this is obviously an LA question, and I'm going to answer it as well. Weirdest celebrity sighting?
I had a fully engaged conversation with Arnold Schwarzenegger as governor, and Maria Shriver was the one who took the picture for us.
Now, this may not be safe for work, but is it fair to say he was hitting on you?
No, he was, but we did discuss my dating life, which was prompted by my sister, to be fair.
My favorite one recently. So I am walking down along the beach in Venice, and there's a guy, looks kind of homeless, stumbling along, but he looks familiar. As he approaches, it gets closer and closer. It's Nicolas Cage, Nick Cage. Now, I'm a big fan, and I'm just kind of starstruck, and I really wanted to go up to him and say, "Are you lost?" and see if we could have a dialogue, but he looked like he came out right out of the movies. Now, here's the kicker. Earlier in the day, or the previous night, I was talking to someone who had mentioned he was staying at a hotel, and they had a call sign for him. I won't say what it was, but basically, I figured out he was in the neighborhood, and just by happenstance, I saw him, so Nick Cage was my favorite recent celebrity sighting.
Nice. Tacos, stand or truck?
I would say truck. I don't stop enough, but we do have a lot of great taco stands. I haven't made it a priority learning about them, but I prefer that kind of taco than going to a restaurant.
I will also answer this question because I think tacos are the world's most perfect food, and I would say any taco from any place, including Del Taco, is my favorite taco.
You're a taco fan. Okay.
Yes.
Oat, almond, or cow?
Almond, cow, oat is my
So all
order
three.
of preference.
Right,
Yes.
LA.
And for you, sunset or sunrise?
It's going to have to be sunset because I don't see too many sunrises right now. How many parking tickets?
Just this year, already one. How about
Likewise, in Santa Monica. Santa Monica, you're terrible at parking tickets.
you? Beach day or pool day?
I would say back in the day it was always a beach day, and I've shifted to being a pool person. I think that's just out of laziness, and I don't like to get sand all over me. But I still love to surf when I finally get up the nerve. Here's one for you. Matcha or coffee forever? Matcha phase or coffee forever?
No, coffee forever. I've never encountered any matcha
Yeah.
phase. It's no. Coffee.
Feels like drinking sand. I just
Yeah.
can't get into it.
Home by 10 or just getting started?
I hate to say it, home by 10.
What if you were in Europe?
I haven't been to Europe in a while. Occasionally, I will go out, and when I go out, I commit, but it takes a lot out of me. I've already burnt the midnight oil many times, chasing one more party. I think those days are behind me. Okay, let's go. Venice or Malibu?
I mean, Venice because I lived there and I loved it. I mean, but Malibu's got its perks. So, but Venice, I think.
If I have 24 hours to take someone who's visiting, first stop is Venice. and then would be Malibu. I think Venice is just kind of the epitome of LA. It has everything.
Did you know Venice was the highest or the most visited place? Venice, California, not
did not know
Venice,
that.
Italy. It was, in the last 10 years, it was ranked numero uno, which was very surprising to learn. I don't think it still holds that spot, but by European visitors, Venice, California.
It's the most walkable part of the city. You get to see everything from the posh Abakini to the wildness of the beachfront to the skate park, canals, and everything in between. Amazing food. It's just a little microcosm of Los Angeles. Let's keep going. Ready?
Yes.
Juice cleanse or breakfast burrito?
Which day? I think I would go for, I wouldn't call it juice cleanse. I do drink juice, though, almost every day.
You like orange juice. We know that now.
Yes.
Okay, you're up.
Cold plunge or hot yoga?
They're both torture to me, but I think they're both beneficial. So they're an even tie.
I will answer hot yoga all the time. Cold plunge sounds miserable. Never done it.
Okay, jumping ahead one. Movie night at home or the theater?
Theater. I am a platinum member of iPick Theaters on Wilshire Boulevard, and I love it. I love my lazy boy couches at the iPick Theaters, and Wednesdays, little shout out, they do half price wine bottle Wednesdays. So
Platinum Theaters, if you want to sponsor this.
iPick Theaters.
Oh, sorry, iPick Theater. If you want to sponsor this, please reach out.
Yes, espresso or cold brew, or what is it? The espresso tonic.
I've become a weird fan of the espresso tonic. I am a coffee addict, and so I will drink any form of caffeine. Comfy outfit or statement piece, clothing-wise?
Oh, statement piece.
Yeah,
Every time.
I
If
would
you're
agree.
leaving the house, comfy outfit. If you're traveling, I guess. No, statement piece.
I had to go through at least 7 or 8 cardigans before picking this one. It's
And
an
I love it.
exhaustive process.
Yes.
You're up.
RSVP, yes. Early or decide day of?
I am a planner. If I say I'm coming, I really, really want to show up. So I will RSVP early. That's my strategy,
Yes. Not mine.
not yours.
No. No, I mean, if I RSVP to something, then I am committing fully.
So let's each
Yes.
pick 2 more and wrap
Okay.
it up. Group chat or one-on-one?
One-on-one.
Yeah, you always forget to include me. Up
Yeah, I know. I need to get
It's
better.
okay. We're not going to get into that right now.
Yeah, CC, I need a CC Michael.
Yes.
Every time.
We'll remind everyone.
Yes.
Go ahead.
Oh, this one's good. One big trip or many short ones?
That's a tough one. I have a trip in my mind. A friend of mine essentially just keeps sending me great things to do, and I have to say yes, potentially Greece.
Yes.
And I think he said Croatia. So right now it's going to be short trips until I lock that in, and that's what makes living here great. It's not like I am selling LA, although I am a big supporter. Within 2 hours, there's incredible places to go. So both. Okay, my last question for you, big vision or daily wins?
Big vision. Yeah. Daily wins, I barely pay attention to. Big vision is where my focus is about 85% of the time.
You need to have a big vision, but you get there with daily wins.
And that's why you're my business partner.
Voila.
Yes.
You got one more for me.
I like this one. Control the playlist or let it ride.
Oh my God. If anyone's been in my car knows I am the worst at playlists, and I skip
love your
songs.
playlists.
They're okay. I skip songs constantly. One of my oldest friends, he's the opposite. He insists on listening to a whole song regardless if it fits the mood or I like it or not. So I skip around. Sometimes I will try to control my impulses, but typically I am jumping around. Okay, well, that was the
Yes.
hot seat.
Okay.
Michael and
Love it.
Ania, we are going to keep doing the hot seat, whether or not you like it or not. And we're going to call that a wrap on Hot Seat January Team AMRE.
Team AMRE. Yes.
Awesome.